G'day, Glennie here from the Breakfast Experience, somewhere off Cardwell, which is in the background there, with Boab boat hire, which you can just ring up. They'll drop the boat off, you jump in, go out with your mates, do a bit of fishing, drop the boat off and they'll clean it up. And this is the sort of backyard you can get out and enjoy. Check it out, the backyard. Have a look at the view. Unbelievable. Look at this beautiful beach. This goes for miles and miles and miles. This is the backyard. This is why I say get out and check out your backyard. Wow. Boat trolling for some barramundi, mangrove jack. This is just an incredible part of the backyard. Get hold of Boab boats. Get some friends together and go out for the experience. They'll have the boat all set up for you and you just go off and do your thing, come back, get out the boat and go off to the pub and have dinner. They'll get it all sorted. So check out Boab Boats online and I'll see you on the Breakfast Experience weekdays between 5 and now. Now, if you don't mind, got some fishing to do.